Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. If you need to capture your remote support work for training or documentation, the 2026 TeamViewer update makes it easier than ever to save your sessions. I will show you exactly how to enable automatic recording so you never miss a detail right now. Let's get started. First, launch the TeamViewer application and look toward the top right corner of the main interface to click on the gear icon. This opens your central settings hub, but you may notice the side panel looks minimal or collapsed by default. Simply move your cursor over the edge of the side panel to reveal the full list of categories, and then locate and select Remote Control from the expanded sidebar. Next, we need to adjust the specific rules for the sessions you initiate from your computer. Inside the Remote Control menu, find and click on Session Settings to see more advanced preferences, and then select the Outgoing Connection section. This area specifically controls the behavior of your remote connections to other devices, allowing you to set rules that trigger as soon as a remote window opens. Finally, look for the option labeled Auto Record Remote Control Sessions and flip the switch to the On position. Once enabled, TeamViewer will automatically save every outgoing session you start without any extra clicks, though you should verify that you have enough local disk space available for longer recordings. Always ensure you have explicit permission to record your clients or colleagues before starting a session to maintain professional transparency and compliance. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.